Okay, we're going with green now.
You don't really care, do you?
Huh? I do get it. I do get it. I do understand. So we're going with green now. Just came back from Stratford, Westford, and there was too many fuckers there, so we just went in there. So we just went. Yeah, constant. So you want to say anything? Ruben.
67.
I'm not getting any drink now.
I want to say no.
Come on. How was your day?
Shit, isn't it?
Yeah, because we went to Westfield, then to Stratford. It was shit, isn't it?
It was. No, actually, it was okay.
No, it's shit, man.
I need the exercise in it. Yeah.
Oh. But you didn't buy anything.
No, I didn't. I got my debit card.
You didn't buy no TV, no new. I like that fan though.
Yes.
How much was it?
That's £2.99.
No, £278.
No, I think
No, it's $278.
Is it?
It's on my video.
Alright.
You want to say anything? No? Yes, no? Yes, no? Okay. We're going now.